Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So the very first thing you should do here is you have to open your Instagram application and then go to your profile. After that, you have to tap these three lines at the top right corner, and then here you have to scroll down and then look for your activity feature that is under how you use Instagram. So once you tap this, your activity, you will see other features and options right here. Now, if you scroll down and then tap this Reels or content you shared. So if you tap Reels here, then you will see the videos that you have shared. So unfortunately, you can't see here the recently watched Reels under this Reel feature. So you can see here the reels that you have shared or posted. So what you're going to do is you have to go back and then tap this likes feature under interactions. And then here you will see all the videos post that you have liked, including your reels. Okay. Here you will see the reels that you have recently watched because you have liked it. Now, what if you haven't liked this reel? But you just have commented on this, then you can go back and then look for the comment section. Also, in this area, likes feature, you can simply unlike these reels if you want. All you have to do is to select and then click unlike, though it's not necessary. When you go back and see comment, you can see also here the reels that you have commented. So aside from likes and comments, you can see here the reels that you have recently watched. So that's it. If you go to your search, and then you can also see there the recently watched reels. So these are just a common ways and methods on how to see your recently watched reels, since there is no option for that when you tap the reels option right here. So you have to go to likes feature, comment feature, or even save feature. In this method, you will see your recently watched reels on Instagram. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.